Here's a step-by-step guide to easily link a bank card to your Cash App and transfer funds so you can start using it right away. If you haven't downloaded Cash App yet or don't have an account, simply search for it in the App Store, download it, and create your account before you can send payments or make purchases. It's essential to add funds to your Cash App balance. The quickest and easiest way to get started is by linking a debit card. Once your Cash App account is set up, open the app and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the section labeled Accounts and Settings, then select Linked Banks. If this is your first time visiting this section, it should be blank, and you'll see an option to link a debit card. While you can also add a bank account or credit card in the future, adding a debit card is the fastest method. Tap Link Debit Card and follow the prompts to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, security code, and your zip code. After entering this information, tap Link Card at the bottom. Cash App will verify the details, and once linked, your debit card will appear under the Linked Banks section. If needed, you can return later to add a bank account or credit card for additional payment options. With your debit card successfully linked, it's time to add funds to your Cash App balance. Navigate back to the main menu and tap the wallet or money icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. At the top of the next screen, you'll see your Cash App balance, and just below that, an option to add money. Tap Add Money, then choose a preset amount, e.g., $10, $50, $100, or use the three-dot option to enter a custom amount. After selecting the amount you want to transfer from your debit card to your Cash App balance, tap Add at the bottom of the screen. The transfer will be processed, and you'll receive a confirmation screen verifying the successful addition of funds to your balance. And there you have it. Your debit card is now linked, and funds have been transferred into your Cash App balance, so you're ready to start using the app.